Very interesting table about something which no one can see in many places, about the threat of a third world war, which in Hebrew is Milchemet Olam Shlishit. Now we are looking for the word Milchemet Olam. It comes only once in the Torah, world war, and then we put Shlishit in this way, Shlishit, third one, and it came here. This is the best meeting in Iran, only in one place, this appearance. Then what we saw it when really looking into the verses and more other things, there are a lot of interesting things coming out. The first thing, really, Tafshin next year. And next year we said is a year which is very suitable for Mashiach. The Messiah comes here, sabbatical year, and many other interesting indications in Kabbalah about it. But definitely conditions are also in these verses. Shamor et Yom HaShabbat lekodsho, keep the Shabbat to sanctify it, which God commanded you, because observing the Shabbat is one of the main conditions to have the land. Then again telling us that the opposite side, Af and Chema, wrath and anger, can bring to danger of extermination, להשמיד אתכם, which is also unfortunately very, very relevant. When Iran, which comes here, we can see Iran amazingly. Iran comes here, see Iran come here. Such a way, Iran, you can see clearly Iran comes, and you know, this is what Iran wants. They believe, as they say, that Israel is a Satan, and their Messiah, they believe also Messiah cannot come unless Israel will be wiped out, unfortunately. So it's really a danger of extermination, exactly what is written here, להשמיד אתכם. And then, looking more into it, you see also again the word war, and then comes something very interesting. You have here Iyum, a threat of a war, as we said, but Islami, and Ishmael. I mean, Ishmael really covers everything. Iran also is Ishmael, because Ishmael represents the Islam. So amazingly, seeing in this place on the Torah, as we said, once in the Torah, world war, then once in the Torah, third world war, and the year come here in minimal skip. And as we said, the most important thing, now we are at the time of Elul, to do tshuva, to keep Shabbat. Be careful, be careful not to forget your God. And then coming here, the most important perhaps verse, which tell us, Shamor v'shamat et kol dvarim haele. Guard and keep all these things, Asher manitzevcha, that I command you, leman yitav lach, that you will have good life, you and your children, acharecha ad olam, forever. Ki ta'aseh, and you will do atov v'yashar, and do the good and the straight in the eyes of God. So, very interesting table, and unfortunately, looking and observing and seeing what is going in the world, so this table looks very serious, especially next year, Tafshin, which is very suitable year for Messiah, for good life. But as we said, every time, every date which was given by our rabbis for Messiah turned to be Holocaust, because Torah was not kept properly, and opposite was fighting against the Torah, fighting against Orthodox. So let us hope that it will not happen now, and then Mashiach, we'll have Mashiach coming soon, and really redeem us from all these terrible threats that we have today.